Welcome back, 8th graders. Today we will be talking about the exterior angle theorem. Now, if you notice on this triangle, it has a little tail hanging off of angle C. This is what we will be finding today. Our instructions are asking us to use the image to create an equation to find x and the missing angle measurements. Let's get started. First, we want to create an equation for x. So what we're going to do is we know that down here, this will equal out to 180 degrees. This is a supplementary angle. So in order to find x, we are going to add x plus 40, and this equals out to 180 degrees. Now, let's solve for x. All right, I'm going to subtract 40 from both sides. And this is going to give us 140. And this is what x is equal to. Alrighty, now it's time to solve for y. Y is in our angle B, okay? Now, if you remember from yesterday, all three of our angles in a triangle should add up to 180 degrees. So, if you remember our equation from yesterday, we are going to write 55 plus 40 plus y equals 180. Sorry about that, guys. I ran out of room. Okay? So first, let's combine our 55 and 40. This gives us 95 plus y equals 180. Now we're going to subtract 95 from both sides. All right, so when we do this, we will get 85, and this will equal our y. All righty, let's plug that in here. All right, so since y is by itself, our angle B is also equal to 85. We can check this by adding up our angles. We have 55 plus 40, that equals 95, plus 85 gives us 180. All right, let's move on to our next one. There we go. So again, our instructions are asking us to use the image to create an equation to find x and the missing angle measurements. Let's write our equation for x. We have 60 plus 4x equals 120. Now I know what you're wondering. Why does it not equal 180? And that's because we are missing our angle C. Angle C, to us, we are just going to think of it as an x, okay? And since we have our 120 in our exterior angle, we will just put our 60 and 40x equal to that. And this will be able to give us x. Let's solve for x. First things first, let's subtract 60 from both sides. This will give us 60. Okay, we're going to bring down this 4x. We have 4x equals 60. Our last step to finding x is dividing by 4. And x will equal out to 15. Let's plug that in. Alrighty. Now we're not going to solve for y because there's no y on this screen. So, since we found x, it's time to find angle B. We have a 4x in angle B, which means we will be plugging in our x as 15. So 4 times 15, if you plug that into your calculator, you should find it to be 60. All right, 8th graders, go ahead and try this out on your own. Have a good day.